what the most endangered species is in the workshop? The pencil. Seriously, I buy them in bulk and somehow they vanish constantly. I set one down, turn around, grab a clamp, and boom, gone. And when I do find one, it's on the other side of the shop. Always. So I decided to fight back. This is my new weapon in the war against disappearing pencils. A retro-style straw dispenser. Yeah, straw dispenser. Like in diners. This one is very easy to assemble. 2 little snaps, it's in place, ready to go. But instead of straws, number 2 pencils, because I am a man of class and function. I picked this little box up on Amazon for the cheap, pre-sharpened, ready to go. Just drop them in, pop the lid, and boom, instant pencil access. Satisfying and practical. And because I'm tired of the walk of shame across the shop to find another one, I bought 2, one on each side, because redundancy isn't just for hard drives. So from now on, no more scavenger hunts, no more missing pencils, just clean lines, sharp tips, and sweet pencil access. This has been a very professional solution to a very dumb problem. Welcome to my shop. I got a link down below for this straw dispenser as well as these 500 pre-sharpened pencils if you're interested. Also, just leave me a like and let me know how you feel about this video.